Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe so we can build this spiritual family. Please like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Signs that show that your third eye is blocked. The third eye is a spiritual connection that will assist you in seeing within the spiritual realm. The third eye makes it possible for you to connect with the four elements of nature. The third eye makes your senses to be clear. Your visions are always spot on. You see and hear things others can't see nor hear. Your third eye will elevate your consciousness. You will have a stronger sense of gut feelings or instincts. Increased awareness. You will be more aware of your surroundings and feelings. The third eye gives you vivid dreams. You experience more intense or meaningful dreams. You have clarity in thoughts, enhanced ability to focus and think clearly. Number 1. When your third eye is blocked as a spiritual gifted person, you become lazy to pray. You doubt yourself, and you doubt your visions and dreams. You're always postponing your spiritual tasks that had been given by your spiritual guides, making the road to your growth slow and draining. Number 2. When your third eye is blocked, you will have the urge to tell people about your dreams because you are seeking validation from them so they can be witness and attest that indeed you are spiritually gifted. Please remember that not every dream is meant to be shared. Some dreams are sacred. Number 3. When your third eye is blocked, you're constantly in need of your mentor. To verify every instruction given to you by your spiritual guides, you depend on your mentor to give you answers about your spiritual journey. Instead of trusting your guiding angels, having faith that your guardian angels are watching over you, providing guidance, love, and support. Lastly, you need to listen more. Be patient. Your guides did not make a mistake by choosing you. You will be spiritually aligned with your gift. Give yourself grace. I know you're disconnected from your higher self, and you lack inner peace. You lack the sense of being unable to access your deeper spiritual insights. Trust me, you will find deep self-reflection on your purpose in this life by connecting with a higher power. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.